Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, do you want to make this sliding template? Let me show you how to make this template in 3 minutes. But be sure to subscribe my channel and watch the video till the end. So go to shape format and add a rectangle like this. Go to insert tab and add a triangle and rotate it. Move it next to the rectangle, select both of them and change their colors. Now go to shape format and shadow and give the shadow to the shapes and increase the blur and the size. There you go. Now what you have to do is select both the shapes and duplicate them. And put the duplicated shape next to the first one and duplicate another one and put it next to the second one and then duplicate another, but you have to remove the triangle and move it to the end. That's it. Now you have to create a gap and you have to select this triangle and move it a little bit down. Select this triangle and move it a little bit downwards as well. Next, you have to move this rectangle onto the second one and move it to the right side and move this triangle a little bit down as well. Now what you have to do is select both the triangle and rectangle and go to shapes and union. Do this for all of the shapes. There you go. Next, select the second shape and group it. There you go. And you have to move it to forward. Merge this one as well and send it forward. Now adjust all of the shapes, leaving no gaps between them. Now you have to select each of them and change their colors. I'm using light blue for this and a lime green for this and pink for this. There you go. Select all of them and remove the outline. Now I'm going to go to previous slide and from there I'm going to copy the text and all the icons. I have already adjusted them and inserted them. There you go. Now what I have to do is copy them and paste them and that's it. Adjust the text a little bit to the left side. There you go. Now select all the 4 of the icons and what you have to do is decrease the size just a little bit and align them to the middle. Adjust them. There you go. That's all for today. So this is the final result. I have given the transitions and animations. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like these.